Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can erase objects from your whiteboard presentations on Canva. So let us get started. Alright guys, so there's a difference between erasing objects you have drawn using the drawing tool and any other elements like shapes and text boxes. So to erase these elements except drawings, simply click into them with your left mouse, select the trash icon here to delete it. So let me go with, I don't know, that table here, for example, or that cell. You can delete, for example, an entire table or a row or a column. Now, what about hand drawings like this one here, for example? In this case here, you will need to navigate to the drawing tool on the left-hand side and choose the eraser tool. And then click into the given part of the drawing. You can also hold your left mouse and then erase multiple elements like this. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.